Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2010 26P Vista by Winnebago. Let's take a look at this rig. This is going to have the Ford chassis, so it's got the Ford V10, 362 horse with a 5-speed transmission. It's got the side cameras and the backup camera for nice, easy, safe driving. We've got a lot of storage throughout this unit. This is going to be our propane tank, typically right here. Okay, a little bit of storage right above that so you can throw your tools in there or whatever you have for that. Our manual awning, looks like about a 12-foot awning. Another really nice storage bay here. And on this one, we've got our water tank and our water pump. This is an insulated bay. Makes it nice and easy to do your maintenance, check your water levels, etc. Another storage bay, that one goes pretty deep under there. Put a lot of stuff in there. Oh gosh, I almost forgot. Most manufacturers don't want to give you a spare tire nowadays for liability, but here we've got a nice spare tire and a nice rack. Easy to get to, easy to get out. Great place to carry it. Nice idea here. We've got a 5,000 pound tow hitch, pre-wired, easy to tow. On this side, we've got our Awning 4,000 watt generator. More than enough power to power everything in the coach. Here's our plumbing station with our dump and our fresh water and our outside shower. Oh, look at that storage. Could be a spare guest bedroom if you wanted. Right here in the doorway, we've got our compartment light switch, our battery switch, our compartment light so you can light up all the compartments all at once. Up front, we've got our automatic hydraulic leveling right here. Okay, 2 buttons, level itself. Our backup camera with side cameras. Turn on your turn signal, shows you everything down the side of the coach. Our standard Ford dash here. Our heated electric mirrors over here. Both of these cab chairs do spin around, become part of your living room. Like the fact that we do have a recliner chair here. We've got our sofa over here. Some good storage. It's a Winnebago product, so you know it's well built. They all come with this little label right here. So if you ever have to replace a part, you can get it from Winnebago very easily. 3-burner stove, oven, microwave. Oh, and here's our command center here. It's all together. We've got our heating and cooling, water heater, our tanks, our generator, our slide control room. Back here, we've got our bathroom. Come on in here, I'm going to show you something. That door just swings open and makes for a really big bathroom. Shower on one side, potty on the other. This is a little 26-foot coach. Let's see, there's a reading light there. A little dark in here. Let's get some more lights on. LED lights. You open up the closet, lights come on inside your closet, so if it's a little dim in here, you can see what's in there or see what you need to get out. Walk around queen size bed. Short coach. It's got everything somebody could need and still be big enough to be comfortable. TV in the bedroom, TV in the living room. This is a 2010 26P Vista by Winnebago. I'm Roger with Guaranty. Thank you.